Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Cloud Now's live coverage of Snowflake Summit in Las Vegas, the world's largest data and AI conference. I'm now joined by Austin Kronz, Director of Data Strategy at Atlan, along with Mark Kidwell, Chief Data Architect for Data Platform at Autodesk. Gentlemen, great to have you on the program today.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Great to be here.
Yeah, glad to be here.
You know, Austin, Atlan is an AI-led active metadata platform for data governance. I would love to hear what trends you're noticing, given that Gen AI and LLMs are top of mind for both technical and non-technical individuals.
Yeah, I think you hit it right there, where it's affecting so many different types of personas across the data and analytics ecosystem. At Atlan, I think we're definitely excited about the possibilities that it can unlock with documentation around metadata for your data assets, around searching and discovering data assets without knowing SQL or without having to write any kind of code, and ultimately just being a co-pilot for your data estate. And so that's what we tried to incorporate. We actually just released earlier this month our announcement of Atlan AI.
Congrats.
So thank you. Really pushing towards that co-pilot for data teams where anyone can come into the platform, technical or not, automatically have either suggested or pre-documented descriptions or suggestions, query the data, interpret the data in natural language, or just ask an assistant, hey, show me the coolest table in my Snowflake estate, and have that answer come up. So we're really excited about the possibilities there, and I think this is going to be one of the biggest game changers in the DNA space especially, that we've seen in a long time.
It's an exciting next chapter indeed, Austin. Would love to pivot now into the overall partnership, Atlan's partnership with Data Cloud. How does this allow your customers to design and make better world for all? And it's great to be joined by one of your customers here with Autodesk, Austin.
Yeah, I mean, every day working with customers like Mark, it's always awesome to see the use cases that they're actually pursuing, because at the end of the day, the data is stored and analyzed in things like Snowflake and the whole data cloud. And what we're doing is really try to enable the transparency on top of the entire data estate. So data produced by your applications, whether it's moved into something like Snowflake and the data cloud, and ultimately used downstream in analytics tools that are driving that real business value. And so just that we can be the layer on top of all of that to sort of see how things move through the data ecosystem has been really, I think, powerful. And it's exciting to see what our customers are able to do with the two tools combined. So if we can get customers like Mark to move faster and pursue these awesome goals and achieve their outcomes at a higher pace, I think we're doing our job, and like you said, better outcomes for everyone there. So.
Very much putting the customer first. Mark, how has this partnership between Atlan and Snowflake made an impact for you and the team at Autodesk?
For Autodesk, with our data platform, we've been longtime customers of Snowflake, and I think the missing piece that we needed to fill a gap in our consumers using our platform was a strong data catalog. We've looked at a number of them, we've been through several evaluations. Finding Atlan, though, was a godsend to us. It's done everything we've needed and more. All the things that Austin was just talking about are becoming reality for us in terms of consumers being able to find and act on data more quickly and easily than ever.
Mark, we find ourselves in a very competitive landscape. From your perspective, what's top of mind for you, and how is data helping to create that key differentiator?
Well, for us, we have a number of data teams working on our platform. Our goal as a platform provider is to enable them, again, to deliver their data products as quickly as possible and unlock business value for their use case. It has to come from the right tools and technology that make that easy.
Gentlemen, it's such a pleasure having you join us, Data Cloud Now, here at Summit. The entire Data Cloud ecosystem is all around us. Now I want to look towards the future. What's top of mind for each of you, and how can the audience learn more about Atlan and Autodesk? If you'd like to start, Austin.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we're continuing down this path of trying to be the home for data teams. A lot of other types of other parts of the organization have that kind of home base that they log into, and we want Atlan to be that for data and analytics teams. And so we're continuing down that path, increasing the amount of automation, and really trying to activate the metadata that the modern data stack and the data pipelines that our customers are building are generating. So continuing down that path, we actually have a really exciting session tomorrow if anyone would like to join. 1 o'clock in the industry pavilion, we'll be working with one of our customers, Cisco, where they talk about how they have evolved from their customer success data lake into more of this global data domain cockpit, hopefully utilizing Atlan for that as well. So follow us there. Follow us on social media. We're pretty active on LinkedIn. I think a lot of us know us from our posts and blogs and things like that. So always happy to have a conversation if anyone wants to reach out.
And Mark, from your perspective, how can the audience learn more about everything that you and your team are doing?
I did give a presentation today. Hopefully folks will be able to catch that. If they didn't catch it in person, then catch it later. And it talks a lot about what we've done as a platform, following data mesh principles, leveraging the modern data stack, leveraging tools like Snowflake and Atlan together. Again, just helping our users and our customers unlock the value of their data in the easiest way possible. And to some of the things that Austin said, I mean, we're excited about them in the same way. We want the data catalog, Atlan, to be the data portal that people come to and discover and use all the data that's in our platform.
Well, gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure sitting down with you. Thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now.
Hey, thank you.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.